Thing guys, uh, in today's topic I'll show you few things which can be really helpful for you guys. So one thing is like you would be finding always an error and saying that you know there is some personal information which is in your document and how to get rid of it. So uh, personal information error, this is something which generally people get. So how to get rid of it and how to remove that error so that it won't pop up again and again. So we have to go to the options and then go to the trust center. Then you have to go to the trust center settings. So this is where you can find that option. Okay. And if you just go to the privacy options, here you can see that document specific settings, right? So you just need to uncheck this box. If this is unchecked, then it won't show that error. So that is one common error which everyone will find. And not only that, now I'll go to the second one. Okay, let me add with the topic wise so that it'll be easy for you to remember. Second is custom list. Okay, so basically a custom list, it is an inbuilt function which most of us don't use that inbuilt function. So here is how to use that function. So you have to go to the file, or before going to that, I'll show you. Okay, just go to the options and then go to advanced. So here you can see that option. If you go down till the general option arrives, here you can see that edit custom list. So this is where you can actually see the names, right? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, even these are also custom list, and this also gets generated in that way, right? So if you want to add a new list, just click on here and add. Okay, Wonder Woman. Of course, I'm a fan of Marvel, so I would do that. And Hulk, Captain America, Black Widow. Yes, of course, Iron Man. Who doesn't want to add it? So I'll just click on add. See, now this list is added. So all I need to do is click on OK and come over here. And so all we need to do is just type one of the name and drag it. See, it'll give all the names. It's just same as like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and from January to December. That's how the custom list actually do work, right? And next, one more basic thing which is really needed is how to do the conditional formatting, right? Okay, let me show that quickly. What is a conditional formatting? Okay, so all we need to do is just to create a table. Okay, let me create a table, a random table, just like that. So I'll say that name, and I'll add few names. Or you know what? I can actually use the same names, right? From Hulk to Wonder Woman. Yeah, these are all the names, and I would place here their, let's say, their score, right? Score, let's say 75. Okay, why am I doing this? I don't want to do it manually. So what I will do now is I'll use a inbuilt formula, right? Equal to RAND between. This is a rand between, means random number between. So I have to give a bottom number. So what I'll do is I can just give 25 as a bottom number and 55 is a upper number and close the bracket and enter it. See, it will automatically generate a random number. So now I'm going to copy the same formula, right? And I'll quickly come over here. I'll select it and paste it, enter. Now, see, now the random number is already generated for me, right? So now what else? Okay, so if now we will just add a date to it. Okay, this looks better now. Now I have just added a date as today's date, and then I will add one date to it. Okay, Control C. And again, why am I doing this? See, that's where it comes again. Is equal to rand between. Okay, now we have to give a bottom date, right? So we'll give as today, which is another formula which you can use it to get current date. Now top, what we can do, we can just need to add a number to it, right? So plus, we just need to add some number to it. Let's say that, for example, I'll add 6. Okay, it doesn't look like a date, right? Okay, my bad. I'll just change it to date. See, now what I have to do now, just the same thing which I did for the number. So I'll quickly copy the formula again. I'll come over here, select it and paste enter. Now what I'll do is, now I just need few more numbers, right? So what I'm going to do, guys, I'll just drag it down. That's it. See, now the random numbers are generated. Not only that, it says that, okay, some random numbers for the particular day, like, some number we got it, right? Now, okay, now we'll go to the conditional formatting. Okay, remember, guys, for conditional formatting, you always need to select the range before doing the conditional formatting, right? See, select the data, come over here, and here you can see, let's see, I want to see the data which is below 30 should come as red, okay, because they're doing very less sales, right? So I'll say that below 30, okay, and whichever is coming between 30 to, since 46 it's already saturated, so I'll just leave it as it is. We'll just give that color coding as yellow. So generally I should give as amber, so I'm giving it as yellow. Click OK. Now, which are coming as greater than 46, that should be as a green for me, right? See, click OK. There it is. And we'll just add a little formatting to it so that the data looks nice. And we'll just, so now you can see that how it looks. And guys, one good thing is about random is, see, if I double click and enter, the data will change, right? This actually shows that whether our conditional formatting is working or not. So this is how we can do a conditional formatting. Yes, you can definitely impress your boss, right? Okay. What is the next thing, which will be really useful? Okay, I'll tell you that as well. Table, right? What, table? Seriously? No, don't think in that way, because this is a table, but this is just the data for us. But Excel doesn't consider it as a table. Now since if it has to consider it as a table, you can press a shortcut, which is Control T, and it will show an option saying that my table has headers. If you just click it, it's better to click it because I already have the headers there, right? Click OK. Oh, okay, nothing happened, right? It's just color has changed. Okay, we'll see what it can do for us. Let's say, okay, here we have the data, right? I'll remove the Captain America there, and I'll give the names as the header. Okay, we'll see what will happen now. What is the use of the table? Okay, since we don't know how to call this table, if you click on this table, right, top you can see as a table design. Click on that, guys. After that, you will see that table has a name. Oh, it's a table 1. Yes, definitely, because we have created only one table. So it will show as a one table only, right? Okay, that makes sense. We'll change that to Marvel, and I'll put as heroes. Remember, guys, you should not keep space in between, so I'm giving an underscore, right? Click OK. Now I want to see the count of it, right? So let's say, how many times count, I mean, Hulk is there, Hulk count is there, or Hulk has worked, right? Now is equal to count. Okay, that's so mean. I should not do that. I should put it as if. No, it is asking for a range. Well, I can just do this, but let me do that. See, now you are actually getting the name, right? Marvel name. Okay, so it's automatically coming. So let's do it in this way. Now I'm getting it. Yes, I'm getting it. How about now? Now you're not getting that name, right? So that's the whole purpose of creating a table. You just need to click, type Marvel Heroes, open big bracket. Okay, that's what I used to call. And here you can select name. Okay, name, and then press tab and close the bracket. So now range is selected. But in that range, what are we looking for? Okay, definitely I'm looking for heroes who has worked so far. Yes, just click on Hulk and click on enter. Okay, I got Hulk 4 times, and let me drag it down. Let's see what will happen. Okay, let's check this count whether it's correct or not. Yes, it's obviously correct, but Hulk is hidden. You know why? Because we have pasted the data in the wrong way. Because if Hulk is hidden, it is getting hidden. So that's the reason. And we know that we have a lot of names over here. So in order to get that names, we can just do a simple thing. Okay, what can we do that? Okay, equal to count. Okay, and if, okay, now, well, let's not even go that, because that will even put much pressure on you guys. Since when I say it as a basic, I should treat it as a basic. My bad. And come over here, and I'm just inserting a pivot table. Click over here, come to right. Now select the date. Okay, now we know only these dates are there. And guys, before do anything, I'm removing the formula here. Control C, and I'm pasting it as values. Why? Because if it is keep on changing, the values need to get changed, right? So that's the reason. Now I'll just refresh. See, refresh my dates. Now I have these dates. Okay, they are not in ascending order, so I'll just sort it from oldest to newest. Okay, we got the dates over here. Control C, and where do I paste it? Okay, that's where. Now I'll just insert 3 to 4 rows. Or my bad, did I say rows? Yes, that's so dumb. It is columns. Okay, do a right click and here paste here as in a transpose. Now here we can use one more function here. Okay, equal to count ifs. Okay, now all you need to do is, guys, just see here, all you need to do is just select the criteria range 1. Okay, I'll select this criteria range as Marvel Heroes, open bracket, and his name, close it, and select the second criteria, which is, obviously, since I'm selecting names, I will select the name over here, right? And I need to do some references over here. If you can see that dollar symbol, I'm just changing the dollar symbol in a way it is required for the formula. Okay, and if you guys don't understand anything, guys, please add it in a comment. I will definitely respond to it. If possible, I will add a video for it. And let me see the second range, which is definitely the date. So now, okay, this one goes there. That's good. Now select it, close it. Now, date. Here is the date. Again, I'm doing some, I'm just doing a freezing of the cell so that it won't move. Okay, click OK. Okay, that's bad. No, that's really good because I got the count, right? See? Wow, that looks good. Does this look good? Because I'm just giving count. Instead of that, what I can do is I'll add some formula, right? Okay. This is for count. And I place the same thing over here. Now instead of that, equal to some ifs. Now it is asking for some range. So this time I want to, see how much scores they have made. Okay. Now, what should I do, guys? Same thing. Yes. Type Marvel Heroes. Open bracket. Now this time I'll go for a score. Close it. Comma. Now it is asking for criteria range. So now I'll just give the same criteria which I have given in the top. Marvel Heroes. Open bracket. Come to name. Close it. Comma. Select the height. Again, just do the freezing of the cells and come over here. Again, take the second criteria, which is obviously a date, and open bracket. Now let's select the date, comma. Now we just need to select the top one. That's it, guys. It's literally it should be very simple, and it is simple, I guess. See, you can do like this, and give a borders. Just come over here, format painter, and just this data, and automatically the filter will apply to this one. Isn't it good, guys? Yes, it should be good. And fifth thing is to do a data validation. I'll just show you a very simple thing. If you got any doubts, please ask me again in a commentary, and I'll definitely respond to your comments. And if possible, I'll try to add a video for your comment as well. So what is data validation? Okay, I will not go in detail here. So I'll just show you how to do that in direct, right? Now, since I have this list, right? Okay, that looks good. Now, I'll just copy this same list. Okay, I'll paste it on top. And you know what? I'll just delete it. Just come over here, clear all. Okay, now I deleted everything. Here, now, click on, Hulk, come to data, and click on data validation. Now select, instead of any value, just select a list, click on source, select the names, click OK, and just click OK. Now see, guys, this is how, when I was telling you guys like how to impress your boss, yes, this is also one of the way. Okay, so now all you just need to is you have to select the person name. See, wow, isn't it good? And what if you want to count of them incomplete? So just, I'm just doing a little bit copying, pasting here and there. So never mind if you won't be able to see it. I will even upload this Excel also, so you can actually check that Excel. Okay, so come over here. I'll just put as sum of it. Now, since it is already taking the reference from top, so what I will do here is, see guys, now I'll just say that I don't want some ifs because I don't want multiple if conditions. Now, either you can relieve it or you can just remove one sum if. Now you know the criteria, right? So I just delete the score from here. Now we need to have only one criteria, which is Wonder Woman, which is basically name. And by seeing this, you'll be easily able to know that. Now I'll remove this remaining to logic, remove it. comma, and you know what? Now we have to give the sum range. Marvel heroes, yes, open bracket, and score, close the bracket. Now let's see what will happen now. Hulk, okay. Captain America, yes. Black Widow, yes. That's not bad. See, that's really not bad. And I can just insert a graph to it. Now insert a line graph. Okay, well, we'll see what will happen now. Hulk, okay. Captain America, wow. Black Widow, she had, wow. Okay, this shows trend. Wonder Woman. So this is how you can use data validation with graphs. And these are the 5 tips or 5 major tips which you can use it in day to day to impress your boss or impress your management or do better videos. Also, guys, you can just, I'm not kidding, you guys can actually use it. I don't mind. So all you need to do is learn the skill. That's what you have to do. And I hope I didn't drag it much. Thank you for watching, and do let me know in comments if you want any more videos, and please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for the day. See you guys, and bye bye. See you everyone.